Tell me a story.
Video diary. Saturday. My coat smells like fish, but that's a good thing. I wrestled lake trout yesterday. I won. I got 3 of them. And the biggest one, maybe 3-4 pounds. And I was catching them on a Rapala with my half-assed down rigging system. And it turns out it worked. And I fried fish last night. We were up till about 3 in the morning screwing out with that. It tasted really good. As much as we possibly could.
What else did we see last night?
Leeches and an invasive species, like a minnow of some kind.
Something that's even more exciting.
Giant timberwolves.
2.
Jana scared him. She ran up to the bathroom. She ran too fast and she snuck up on the wolves. Yeah, so exciting day. Paddled all the way from West Caribou Island, and we were out in the middle of Lake Superior. Giant swells, cracks going up and down. And we made it all the way here. I was paddling into the bay, in the safe harbor. I hooked into a lake trout, and there's some guys out here that the old man, there's like a grandfather, he said that, oh yeah, when we used to come here, we'd fish up by that rock and we'd catch some lake trout for a dinner. So I'm like, alright, maybe about 7:30, right before dark, I went back out and started trolling by that rock again. I laced one of the big ones, and I turned around to go back and clean it, and I caught another one, and I couldn't troll fast enough to catch it anymore. So I came back in. But anyway, it's a video diary from Saturday. Peace out.